Man Bear Pig coming to diagnose the fucking 50.
If it was just a little bit warmer out today, it'd actually, you know,
Be nice.
be amazing.
If I didn't have to wear a coat, be great.
It would be. I'm ready for that, not having to wear coats anymore.
It'd be awesome. It's for sale if anybody needs a street bike.
Yeah, they don't want to lie about it.
Yeah. All right, let's listen to this bad boy.
Nice air filter. It looks clean.
It's fucking neat, bro.
Oh, I like your aftermarket skid plate. That's nice. Who put the road tires on here? Did you do that?
Yep.
Specifically do some supermoto?
Yeah, you ready for this?
Yeah.
Alright, so today has not gone at all how I thought it was going to go. Justin came over this morning and we filmed the prediction show.
Start off and be like, well, holy shit, that was crazy.
That went fine. And then we filmed our 250 show for 250 East. It's fucking it.
What are you guys doing here? Fucking, I think he was thinking the same thing when it started snowing.
Probably. He's like, what the fuck is this?
What is snow?
Is this fucking cocaine falling from the... That went okay. And then got a call from a kid about wanting to look at a motorcycle I've got for sale. It's for sale if anybody needs a street bike.
Yeah.
So he came over and looked at that, but I had to go down, get it out, and wait around for him. So I really thought I was gonna go to the gym about, I don't know, 1 o'clock today, and now here it is, it's fucking 2:30, almost 2:30, and I'm just headed out. So I didn't quite get what I wanted to do done this morning. I was hoping to do a couple other things, some Craigslist stuff, but oh well, that happens. You know, it's just part of it. Stuff never actually works out. You make a plan and you try to get as much done as you can, but it never actually ends up working out. So headed to the gym now, and we're gonna get chest in and a little bit of chest, a lot of cardio, and some abs here. And then it's bowling night, so we'll see if we can bowl better than last week here. So that's what we got going on pretty much for the rest of the day here. Alright, just got done at the gym here. I got about an hour and 10 minutes till bowling starts. So we are a little behind, but headed home, got a shower, eat, change, and then we'll be good. So off we go.
You got 21 up here. Yeah.
Not bad, 450 series. We'll take it. Jimmy, hitting the 600 series. That was nice. Ooh. Look out, pro card coming soon.